Aashto T308 Ignition Oven. Determine the size of sample needed based on the nominal maximum aggregate size of the mix and record the mass of the sample. Prepare the clean oven basket and determine its mass. Evenly distribute the sample across the basket. If the basket has 2 layers, split the sample evenly between them. Prepare the oven by entering the sample mass and ensuring the calibration factor starts at 0. Use the basket lift to insert the sample into the ignition oven. Ensure that the basket does not move the base plate off of the scale. Also, ensure that the basket does not touch the wall of the oven. Close the oven door and begin the ignition test. Duration of the test will vary depending on the binder content and amount of sample used. The typical durations of the test range between 30 minutes and 1 hour. Once the test is completed, a ticket with pertinent information will be printed. Record this information. Remove the basket and place it in a controlled area with proper safety labeling. Repeat this process for an additional sample. Once 2 samples are completed, a calibration factor can be determined. Enter the 3rd sample mass and adjust the calibration factor according to the findings from the first 2 tests. Then run the 3rd ignition test. Once the final ignition is complete, record the information from the printout. This will read the corrected binder content.